Hello and welcome to Farm Matters and my tip of the month. This month my tip is all about how to tidy your memory drop-downs. Memory drop-downs are a cross between a text box and a fixed drop-down, which allow you to enter a value you would like whilst also remembering previous inputs. If I begin by choosing the cattle tab at the top of the screen and then on farm and events, this will bring me to my current grid of animals. If I choose any animal, I right click and I choose view edit animal, this will take me to the record card. If we use the herd option, you can see there is already options in the drop down menu. If I use my keyboard and choose Ctrl L, you will see this brings the list editor up. This is where I can remove an option from the list. So if I would like to remove sheddings, all I would do is click the bin on the right hand side. As you can see, it's been removed. If we then click save and then save again on the record card, and then we go back in the same way, if we go to herd, you can see that the option is now being removed from the drop down list. Hopefully, some of the things that you've watched will help you maximise your use of the programme. Thank you for taking the time to watch this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please drop a like and click the subscribe button below.